All right, so this, oh, look at my shirt. Watch it, sucker. I love this t-shirt. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Curly Proverbz. It was the box that she put together for the 31-day hair challenge. I'm going to do an unboxing for you because I referred to it in my last video. So here goes. This is what the box looks like. I think it's, y'all, me just holding this box, there is an oil in here that is so strong. It's the garlic oil. I already know because I have another box. Yeah, I bought two, and it's my business. But that oil is so strong. Oh my goodness. But this is what the box looks like. It's a nice box. I think she does really good with her branding. Really good with her branding. I'm opening the box to let you see what's inside. All right. So first we have the Curly, ooh, girl. Ooh, that oil is stank. We have, but it, you know, sometimes you got to do some stuff that stank to get, you know, your hair to be beautiful. I wish that rhymed. This is the Amla Pro Thickness Powder. That's in the box. And I'm going to put the box down. And just know I'm taking stuff out the box. This is another MSM powder. Remember I said I was taking the MSM. It has a dual function for me at an older age. I have some inflammation and my joints hurt a little bit. It is what it is. If y'all are young and you're watching it, it may happen to you too. I can't say that it is, but you know. So this is a dual function for me because it really does ease some of the pains that I feel when I'm waking up in the morning with my joints. And I'm about to start exercising again. I'm going to let y'all in on that too. This is one of the oils, and I'm just going to take it out. It's still going to remain in, she has a real package, really good. It's still going to remain in this box because I don't need it. Let me see if I can just pull it out, or do I have to? I might have to take all this stuff off. Let me get some scissors. I couldn't find no scissors. All right. But this is the golden one. The golden one. It is an oil. And it has, let's see if it has the ingredients. Castor oil, carrot root extract, jojoba seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, orange essential oil, cedarwood essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and lemon essential oil. So this is all the oils that are in that, the golden one. And I have been using that on my ends and on my hair sometimes. Now here comes the stinky one. This thing is stank. And it's in this little thing, so you know it's potent. It is so, I wouldn't say stink, it smells like garlic. It has a very, very strong smell. And it's the peppermint and garlic hit. Peppermint and garlic hit. This little thing packs a punch. It's a strong smell. So I keep it. One thing that I like about this box is it's very well put together box is I leave this oil in the box. So I don't throw the box away and it masks the smell for me. I leave it in the box. And then this is the last oil that is in the box. Oop, I love these poppy things. Pop, 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 pop. These bottles are beautiful. These bottles are gorgeous. So Curly Proverbz, you did it with the bottles. This is the limited edition clove and MSM fenugreek elixir. Isn't that bottle beautiful now? This bottle is so pretty. Okay, and let me see if I can see. I might not be able to tell y'all what's in this one. Oh yeah, I can't tell you because look at that. You see how little that writing is? I can't. Oh, no, I can see it a little bit. I just need some light. Let's see. Coconut oil, olive oil, castor seed oil, fenugreek seeds, clove, hibiscus, vitamin C, MSM, tea tree essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. Took me a little bit to read that because my eyes, it is what it is. I don't have my glasses on. But I wasn't reading the scientific names for those things because it has what it is in the parentheses. So I was reading what's in the parentheses. But that's some good stuff right there. So yeah, so this is everything that comes in her box for the 31-day hair growth challenge. And I like using products, and I used to use powders back in the day. I used to use them all the time. So when I saw that she was incorporated the amla powder, I decided I wanted to do it. Now, I don't use henna because I don't want it to stain my gray. And the amla has dulled it a little bit, but the good thing about the amla is because I've been using, oh, I didn't bring my tea. I've been using like an amla tea spritz for my hair. But when I wash my hair, though it looks like I've been playing out in the mud for 3 years, when I wash my hair, it all comes out and my gray is vibrant once again. So I'm not worried about the amla staining my hair, my gray. But the henna, it's going to stain it orange, and I'm not trying to have an orange streak. It's just not what I want. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you what was in the Curly Proverbz box for the 31-day growth challenge, because even though I said I wasn't buying products, I did. But I'm not buying anymore. At least I don't think I am. If I do, I'll share it with y'all. I'm just going to tell y'all everything. Y'all saw me in my Pippi Longstocking braids, so you got me in your life for life now, because you saw that. If you didn't see it, you can watch my last video. But yeah, I just wanted to share what's in the box. I hope that all is well, and wishing you love, peace, and growth, and thickness, and whatever it is you're going for. Peace out.